Assalamu alaikum and hello everybody. Welcome to 9th standard first of all, and this is our first day of offline classes, and I really hope that you'll enjoy mathematics as much as you did in your 8th standard and will be able to learn together even if you are not present in classes, but at least with the help of offline classes. And also let us try to continuously learn and ask doubts so that learning can never stop. Let us begin with our first chapter. Our first chapter in 9th standard mathematics is number systems. So whenever we speak about numbers, we have to first learn that what are the different classifications of numbers that we can have, or in what ways numbers can be classified as, or what are the different types of numbers, to say in simple language. So what we'll be first learning in today's class is different types of number classifications and how are they represented. And furthermore, we'll be also saying that what are the different kinds of numbers that you have not seen till now and how do we classify them. So to start with, we all have heard of something called as natural numbers. Then we have heard of something called as whole numbers. Then we have seen something called as integers. We have learned the basics of this in 8th standard already, and now we'll see a little more in depth about what are natural numbers, whole numbers and integers, and then we'll move on to something called as rational numbers in today's class as well. So natural numbers, imagine we have a number line, right? And on this number line, if I have only positive numbers with plus sign are positive numbers. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 and so on up to some value, up to infinity. Infinity is something that cannot be calculated, up to some value, right? So all these numbers, all these positive numbers are called as natural numbers, given with or identified with the letter capital N. Now on the same line, if I have all positive numbers, up to some value, and I also have 0 along with it, if I also include 0 along with it, so all positive numbers including 0 will become whole numbers given with the letter capital W. Now if I have a number line which has all positive numbers up to some value, on which I also have 0, I also have negative values up to any value on the other side of the number line as well, then this combination of all positive numbers, 0 and also which includes negative numbers, will be classified in a category called as integers given with the letter capital Z, not capital I. So natural numbers consist of all positive numbers only, whole numbers consist of all positive numbers including 0, integers consist of all positive numbers, 0 and also negative numbers, right? So if I have to represent it in circular form, I will represent natural numbers first, and then comes whole numbers, and then comes integers represented with Z. So now let us try to link one type of number with the other. So if we carefully see here, can we see that all the numbers that are present in natural numbers are also present in whole numbers? Example, 1, 1. And then 2 here in natural numbers, 2 also in whole numbers, 3 in natural numbers, 3 also in whole numbers, 4 in natural, 4 in whole numbers, 5 in natural, 5 in whole numbers, and it keeps on going to some extended value. So can I now tell that all natural numbers are whole numbers? Yes? Right. So that is going to be true, because every number that is present in natural number is also present in whole numbers. But now let us reverse the statement. Now let us tell every whole number is also a natural number. How many of you think this is true? but this is a false statement. I cannot tell that every whole number is a natural number because 1 I have, 2 up to 5 all numbers are matching, but in whole number we also have 0 which we don't have in natural numbers. Therefore I can't tell that every whole number is a natural number, but I can tell that every natural number is present in whole numbers, but every whole number is not present in natural number. Or in simple words, we can tell that all natural numbers are whole numbers, true, but I can't tell that every whole number is a natural number because we have 0 present in whole numbers, but we don't have 0 present in natural numbers. Now let us try to link these two type of numbers with integers, right? So now in natural numbers I have +1, +2, +3 or 1, 2, 3 etc. up to some value. In integers also I have 1, 2, 3 etc. right? So all natural numbers are also present in integers, right? Let us come back to whole numbers. So I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to some value. In integers also I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to some value. Therefore all natural numbers are present in integers. So all natural numbers are also integers. All whole numbers including 0 are also present in integers if you see. So all whole numbers also can be called as integers. But now here there is an interesting point. We can't call all integers as natural numbers or whole numbers. Let us tell why. So I can't call all integers as natural numbers because, think about the reason. You can pause the video whenever you want for your own reflection. But now I cannot call all integers as whole numbers because in integers we have 0 also, we have negative values also. But do we have 0 and negative values in whole numbers? No, we don't have. That's why we can't tell all integers are natural numbers as well. But can we tell all natural numbers are integers? Yes, true. Because every natural number that is present here is also present in integers. Now let us reverse the statement for whole numbers as well. Can I tell that every whole number is an integer? Yes, every whole number is an integer. Starting from 0 up to any positive value, we also have an integer starting from 0 to any positive value. True. But can I tell that all integers are whole numbers? No. Because we have only values from 0 to positive values in whole numbers. We don't have any negative values. But in integers, we also have negative values. So what we have understood from here is all natural numbers are also integers. True. Or I'll write true here. All whole numbers are also integers, which is true. But can I tell the reverse statement? Can I tell that all integers are natural numbers? No, this is false. Can I tell that all integers are whole numbers? No, this is also false. We have seen clearly what are the reasons for it. Similarly, can we now tell that all natural numbers are whole numbers? Pause the video for a minute and think about it. Can we tell that all natural numbers are whole numbers? Yes, all natural numbers are also whole numbers. But can we tell that all whole numbers are natural numbers? No. Why? What is the reason? Because we have 0 present in whole numbers, but we don't have this 0 present in natural numbers. So this is how we have to understand what are natural numbers, what are whole numbers, and what are integers. So let us quickly revise. We are studying today about natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. All positive values without 0 will be only called as natural numbers. All positive values including 0 are called as whole numbers, and all positive values including 0, also including negative values, will be called as integers. So I want you to maintain a maths notebook, mathematics classwork, and in today's class whatever we have learned, please try to make definitions of that in your classwork. Write down the name of the chapter as number systems and make a list of definitions of what is natural numbers, what are whole numbers, and what are integers. In tomorrow's class we'll also be learning what are rational numbers and irrational numbers. That's all for today's class. Thank you very much for watching the video, and please don't forget to ask any doubts if you have. Please reach out to me on WhatsApp and I'll try to clarify your doubts. Thank you so much.